Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Purple color, violet color, yellow color, dark green color, orange color, brown color, red color, sky blue color, dark blue color, light green color, black color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for cherry. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for glass. H for horse. I for iron. J for jam. K for kiwi. L for lollipop. M for monkey. N for nose. O for ox. P for pen. Q for question. R for rose. S for strawberry. T for toy. U for universe. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zipper. Let's try to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's try to draw some 2D and 3D shapes. Parallelogram. Cube. Triangle. Cylinder. Heart. Rectangle. Let's learn some colors. Red color, blue color, green color, orange color, violet color, yellow color, black color, purple color, brown color, dark blue color, dark blue color, parallelogram, dark blue color, light blue color, cube, brown color, triangle, purple color, cylinder, pink color, violet color, heart, heart, dark green color, rectangle, parallelogram, cube, triangle, cylinder, heart, rectangle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.